Hey guys, welcome back to the GVDC. We have a train coming here, Excelsior Springs, Missouri. I'll do the whole train. Come on. I'm doing the whole train.
Well, we're not going to be able to pull out anyways.
Exactly.
He is going fast.
Fast as heck. Wow. All these cars and heavy ones. Probably something on the back with all these heavy cars. So there's cars in there, and now there's who knows what here. There's two of them.
There is two of them. That's 6.
Yeah. 80, 87. Well,
Be any on the back.
I bet that'd be something. 4 on the back, that'd be 10 overall. That'd be something. CSX. Animal. Slowing down now.
Slowing down, it's going to fall.
CSX. More. You see our, yeah, I was about to say that. Signal ain't green no more.
That's the craziest sounding
Bell? Yeah.
bell.
You showed me like 3 videos. I could name this one. That was all 3 of them. I knew. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Nope. Smaller cars. Shorter. It ain't gonna go too much longer though. What if there's 2 more in the middle? 2 more and then more cars? That'd be something.
Never seen that.
No.
I've seen in the middle and then
Yeah. We don't even see them in the middle and the end sometimes. One time we've seen some in the middle and some in the back.
this has got a lot of weight.
Yeah.
But it's 6 that's so fast.
Yeah. And nothing rare. Out of 6 engines on this train. Nothing rare. Anything on the back? Oh, smaller cars. There's the end. Maybe that's the flatbeds. Yep. That's a flatbed right there. See? Nothing on there. Red flashing light. Bunch of cars stopped. Pretty cool. Guys, have a great day. God bless and goodbye.